Yeah, we're up here at Proctor Creek. Figured we'd give it a shot. I'm running a float. And my son up here, he's running a spoon. And water's really, really good, but my buddy is somewhere around here. But when they come up through those currents and the ones below, this is where they've got to come. So this is where they like to rest. But from what I'm hearing, they're not catching a lot of fish anywhere. We'll give it a shot up here and see what happens. It's going to be a nice day. But I'm just running a float and a jig, and that's it. Unfortunately, we're supposed to pinch our barbs and no scent. That's not going to help any, but you know, running a barbless hook on a steelhead is about as dumb as you can get, for the simple reason the second you set the hook, that thing's going to fly out of the water. You're going to watch your jig go flying. You might land it, but I rather doubt it. Spoon, you stand a better chance. But we'll give it a shot, see what happens. We'll turn this thing back on if we catch a fish. Fishing the inside of that current line, and right there every time it's hitting that big boulder. I even brought it up a little bit, so we're not getting hung up on it now. We're bouncing off of it. But I haven't got bit yet. Probably no fish in here, but oh well. We saw an osprey up here. They got a fish. Got a smolt. He's gone now. God damn it, I got Ted's line. I got your line, Ted. You cast it over my line again. God damn it. Hold on. There, reel. Reel. Yeah, that happens. Wouldn't if you pay attention. One with a float, 2 spoons, nothing. Right back on later. Yeah, we've been here a couple hours, nothing. Now, one more cast, we're done. There's fish spoons up here, and the guy behind me has been throwing a float. He's not hooked anything. I don't think there's anything up here. That was not where I wanted to cast. Now we're in that back eddy. And we're stuck. The reason I don't like it is it's got weird current in there, and steelhead don't like weird current. They like current. Trying to get out of it. I'll float the inside of this thing. Come on. There we go. Now we're out of it. I would fish that other seam 200 times now, not even anything. Yeah, nothing else. It was a pretty day to hang out on a river. Yeah, we're done.